Okay, good morning students. Next we are going to see the chapter number 10, ordinary differential equations. So this chapter contains nearly 6 to 7 exercises, I think so. This unit is very important in exam point of view. The last exercise is very important in this chapter. Now we are going to see only 2 marks sum only in exercise 10.1. So what we are going to see? We are going to see the order and degree. We are going to see the order and degree. Order is nothing but derivative. Order. So we are going to take order, it is nothing but derivative. It is nothing but highest derivative. We want to see the highest derivative. Next, if we are going to see for degree, highest power. This is the main thing, highest power. This highest power we need to see in the highest degree. The highest degree we want to see the highest power. Okay, or largest power, highest power, whatever it may be. So first we are going to see the order, next we are going to see the degree. Order is, suppose if we are going to see dy by dx, this order is 1 because only one derivative. D square y by dx square, the order is 2 because derivative 2 times. D cube y by dx cube, order is 3 because it has 3 derivatives. Next, it goes on like that. If we are going to see the order, if we are going to see the degree, it has degree 1, the whole power. What is the degree? 1. Suppose we can take 2. D cube y by dx cube is nothing but, what is the degree here? Degree is nothing but 2. Order is 3 and degree is 2. So using this only we are going to find order and degree in exercise 10.1. First we move to a sum. If we are going to enter the sum, then we can easily explain and we can easily derive the sum. So exercise 10.1, first sum and first subdivision. What is the first subdivision going to be? Dy by dx plus xy is equal to cot x. Solution. Order and degree. You can write order comma degree. Order comma degree is nothing but, there is only one dy by dx, there is no other dy by dx. So order, there is only one derivative, the order is 1. The whole order is only 1 power 1. So degree is 1. Order is also 1 and degree is also 1. Order is 1 and degree is 1. So 1 comma 1. Order is 1 and degree is 1. The second subdivision. If you are going to see the second subdivision, see, listen carefully. D cube y by dx cube whole power of 2 by 3 minus 3 d square y by dx square plus 5 dy by dx plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the second subdivision. But what is the problem? You can say, sir, 3 is the order, sir, and degree is 2 by 3. No, degree cannot be a fraction. It will only be a natural numbers. The degree should be only be a natural numbers. So 2 by 3 is not possible. So we need to avoid this 2 by 3 here. So what I'm going to do? This all the 3 terms I'm going to bring this side. So d cube y by dx cube is equal to 3. D square y by dx square minus 5. dy by dx minus 4. This is whole power of 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 I can write as 2 into 1 by 3. How am I going to write? 2 by 3 I am going to write 2 into 1 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3. So listen very carefully. This 1 by 3, suppose if you are going to see square root of x is equal to 4. Square root of x is equal to 4. This square root of x I can write x power of 1 by 2 is equal to 4. This square root I can write as 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 moves this side, so it becomes 4 square. 1 by 2 moves right hand side, becomes square. 1 by 2 becomes square. So 1 by 3 moves this side, becomes cube. So 3 into d square y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx minus 4. This 1 by 3 moves this side, becomes cube. So d cube y by dx cube. What is the remaining here? Only remaining is 2. Listen carefully. Even we going to do the cube, it becomes whole power cube only. Which one is the highest order here? See, this is the highest order. 3 is the highest order. Here 2 is the next order. So this is the highest order. Highest degree. We need to see the highest degree. We should not move towards, sir, here highest order is 3, sir, but degree is, this one is bigger, sir, this one is 3, sir, degree is 3, sir. No, this is wrong. which one I am going to take, which order I am going to take, that degree I need to see. So order comma degree, OD, order comma degree is nothing but order is 3, degree is 2. Here order is 2 but degree is 3. So we should not take this one, we should take this one. Order is 3, degree 2. Which order I am going to take, that degree only I need to take for. So third subdivision, solution d square by dx square the whole square dy by dx the whole square plus x sine d square by dx square. This is a problem here. In sine, we should not present derivative. In trigonometry inside there is no derivative. For example, cos dy by dx, sine d square by dx square, tan dy by dx, that like should not present. If it present like that, there is no degree here. Only order should be present. So what is the order here? Order is nothing but 2. Highest order is 2 here. But I should not choose degree here because the problem is sine, inside sine there is a present of derivative. Such like should not present. So order is 2 but no degree does not exist. Degree does not exist. Next, fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision is square root of dy by dx minus 4 dy by dx minus 7x is equal to 0. So the square root is present. So we need to avoid square root. So these both terms are going to bring this side. So going to become 4 dy by dx. So it becomes 7x. This dy by dx square root I am going to write as 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 come this side becomes square, no, 4 dy by dx plus 7x, the whole square is nothing but dy by dx. Listen very carefully in this sum. It has both sides. If we going to see, both sides are going to see the same order only, but degree going to change. Degree is 2 here because a plus b the whole square formula. If you are going to apply a plus b the whole square formula, this side will be dy by dx. A plus b the whole square formula is nothing but 16 dy by dx the whole square plus 49 x square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b into 7x. If you are going to see, the highest order is dy by dx only. All contains a dy by dx only. So you can take the highest degree of that. This is power 1, this is 2, this is power 1. So here order comma degree is nothing but order is 1, degree is 2. So next fifth subdivision. Y into dy by dx is equal to x divided by dy by dx plus dy by dx the whole cube. So such a sums, if you are going to see, sir, this one is order 1, degree is 3, sir, but we need to do some calculations, then only we can. This is not in, first we need to see, it should be arranged somewhat in polynomial equations, in type of polynomial. So, but this is given in the fraction way, x divided by is given in the fraction way. So this denominator will going to be cross multiply with this. So it becomes y into dy by dx is multiply with dy by dx plus dy by dx the whole cube. This one is multiply with this is equal to x. Now multiply with one y. Dy by dx and dy by dx nothing but dy by dx the whole square plus multiply this one y into dy by dx into dy by dx the whole cube is nothing but dy by dx. This one is power 1, this was nothing but 4 is equal to x. Now check it. What is the order? Order comma degree. If you're going to check the order is going to be 1 only, but degree is 4. But if you're going to see this one, degree is 3. This is not properly arranged. This is on a fraction. So we need to arrange it properly in the form of polynomial. See, y dy by dx the whole square plus y dy by the whole 4 equal to x. This is in the form of polynomial equation. Okay, so order is 1 and degree is 4. So sixth subdivision, x square d square by dx square, this is in a fraction. So let this one come this side. So it becomes 1 plus dy by dx the whole square, whole power of 1 by 2 is equal to minus x square d square y by dx square. If 1 by 2 comes, this becomes square. So minus x square d square y by dx square, the whole square becomes 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. So 1 plus dy by dx the whole square minus the whole square plus x square becomes x power 4. This will become d square y by dx square the whole square. See, minus the whole square is plus x square the whole square x power 4, d square by dx the whole square. Now see the order comma degree. Order is nothing but 2. Degree is also 2. Order is 2, degree is 2. Here, if you are going to see a square root is present, I need to avoid square root. To remove the square root, I need to do squaring on both sides. So, d square y by dx square the whole cube, and we need to do the squaring on both sides. No, square root of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. This is squaring on both sides. Here also square, here also square. So square and square root gets cancelled. So 1 plus dy by dx, this will become d square y by dx square. Power to power, I need to multiply both the powers. Power to power, I need to multiply both the powers. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, order is 2, but degree is 6. This one you need to arrange. This is in the form of polynomial. This is not in polynomial because the square root comes no. This is not in polynomial. Order is 2 and degree is 6. So 8th subdivision. If we are going to see the same sum we have saw in the previous, nothing but in third sum. The same 8th sum also, the in cos there is present dy by dx. In cos there is present of dy by dx, there will be only order, no degree. There will be only order. Order is not order. Order will be 2, but degree does not exist. Degree does not exist. Reason is the trigonometry contains inside dy by dx. This is not in this is not in proper polynomial equation. Next. So this is one of the important sum in exam point of view. See, there is integrations present. How are we going to do? The only thing, I am going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiate with x, nothing but differentiate with respect to x on both sides, nothing but figure d by dx. So what is d by dx, d square y by dx square plus 5 d by dx dy by dx plus integration of y dx. How I can say d by dx, I put d by dx here, okay, is equal to d by dx into x cube, d by dx into x cube. If we are going to see d and d square, which becomes d cube y by dx square, which becomes dx cube plus 5 dd, which becomes d square y dx, I can write dx square plus, if you are going to see dx and dx can be cancelled, this differentiate integration cancel, nothing but y. Listen very carefully, dx cancel, differentiate, this is the differentiate, this is the integrate, both will be cancelled, nothing but y. Next, differentiate of x cube is nothing but 3x square. Now check it, order is 3 and highest degree is 1, that's all. Order is 3 and degree is 1. The last sum of this exercise, x is equal to e power x by y dy by dx. So I want to remove the e. In order to remove the e, take in log on both sides. So what I said, to remove e, I need to take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Therefore, log x is equal to log e xy, open the bracket, dy by dx. So log x is equal to this log e, I can take it as, I can remove the log e and I can put xy dy by dx, xy dy by dx. Log e I can remove, I can put xy dy by dx. Now see, this is the highest order, this is the highest degree. Order comma degree is nothing. What is the order here? 1. Degree is also 1. So from this we have finished this exercise 10.1. Thank you.